Hi, this is Rachelle, and I have a project here that I have been working on. It started quite some time ago, and I decided to go ahead and finish it up. So this is a pouch that I made using some fabric and lace. It has a ribbon tie. This is a clip. This can come on or off. I'll clip it from this side. So I kind of just clipped that on there because I thought it was cute. Got the applique detail here. And like I mentioned, the laces. All right, so the closure is not attached, so it can come completely off. And again, this is what it looks like. The fabric base, I use packing paper. So some packing paper that I had, I attached the fabric to that to make the pouch. Inside the pouch, it got a little fuller than I intended. But this is what the pouch looks like on its own. Just give you a good look at that. Okay, and then inside, let's put this over here, we have 2 journals, and these are traveler's notebook size journals. So 2 journals and a pocket that I made with the packing paper as well. Has a little applique. It's just pinned on with a piece of sari silk. This is a graphic from Calico Artfuls. And then I have some ephemera and envelopes and things that can be used inside the journal. I won't go through all of that, just a few little goodies in there. This is a stamped postcard, and I have some of the large pink paper clips here that can be used in the journals. And there is a paper clip here with a tassel that can be used as well, and other pieces inside that can be used. So that goes with the pouch for use with the journals. Then this is the first journal. This is the one that I initially created. This is what made all of this happen. I had been working on this. I put it aside for a while, and I have quite a few unfinished journals that I'm going to be pulling from and finishing over the next few months. So this was the first. This is a paper clip. So it's a really large paper clip. This is what it looks like on that side. Has vellum here that can lift up. You can do journaling here, date it, put what the journal is about. This can be placed inside the journal somewhere. I just kind of put it on the cover because I wanted to leave the cover somewhat plain. It has a lace trim. You can see the stitching, and there's stitching all around. This is what it looks like on the inside. Have a little envelope, pink paper, a butterfly journaling card. It is backed. And then there's just miscellaneous digitals and cards and envelopes throughout. Some of these are misprints. I love to use those in junk journals so that they don't just get tossed aside. You got scrapbooking paper or scrapbooking cardstock, ledger paper, some floral paper, just regular copy paper, lined paper, and a variety of different papers. That's it. Could be just for writing. It's lightly decorated, so not much as far as the decorating, so that you can customize it and make it your own. This is an envelope here, flip. I did stick this stamped postcard in the envelope here in the window. Some more from a printable. That's the center of the signature. It's the flap for that envelope. And then the pages repeat. Got a journaling card here and a couple here. Scrapbook paper. You can glue this down and turn it into a little tuck spot or pocket. There's that, and then this is what the back looks like. Okay, so again, this is a paper clip that can be used anywhere in the journal, but I kind of put it here just to add a little more deco on the front cover. So there's that piece. Then the other journal, I decided to make another journal because I had room in the pouch. So that's why we have two. Oh, and I didn't mention, I put a little safety pin here. I don't think I put one anywhere else. Here I have the 3 safety pins. This is a lace pocket that goes all the way to the back. Got cardstock covered in lace for the cover of this one. Then we have a journaling card, a postcard stamp, and then this is the doll, space for writing on the back. And this goes like this. All right, and on the inside, in the pocket, we have cloth pocket or fabric pocket, another postcard, journaling card, and a label that can be used in the journal. Have a fuzzy paper clip, and then these are the pages. This is a vellum postcard, tea stained paper, tea or coffee stained, ledger paper, this is from a notepad, doily black paper, tea or coffee stained paper, vellum, printed vellum, some pink paper, coffee stained, a digital, and I didn't tie this one in a bow. You can tie it in a bow. You can add beads or charms. And there's that. Everything repeats. And I will put the page count and all the information as far as sizing and everything in the description box below and on the listing. This will be available in my shop at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com. And again, this one is blank so that you can use it for writing or decorating, make it your own, do creative journaling. You could do art journaling, whatever you choose. Here's another journaling card. Here's one as well. And let's go in there. And then this back pocket has a postcard and 2 tags that you can embellish and use inside the journal. So that is it on that one. Again, this is what it looks like. And so that is everything in the pouch. Again, this will be available in the shop on my website at SCRAPCRAFTASTIC.com if you are interested. It's somewhat of a snug fit now that I made extra things to go in there. Originally, it was designed just for one journal. So, all right, let's tie this back on. All right, and that is it. It's ready to go. I'll link everything, put all the information in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll holler at y'all next time. Bye.